Hello there. I figure now's a good spot to start a video. See this? Earlier today, I turned this off. Application experience. I think it's for, if you want to participate in helping Microsoft, understand how people use their product. Well, I'm here in my registry, in my reg edit thing, and just mucking around. And I noticed this AE lookup service, okay? Application experience. Well, this was set to 3. At first I couldn't change these, they were all read-only, but I must have launched it as the wrong user. Requires TCP privilege is like the highest possible privilege. Act as part of the operating system and impersonate, so become anybody you like me. And here's the description. Process application compatibility cache requests for applications as they are launched. What's that got to do with experience? Application experience. Nothing. The other thing's fine. I turned it off. I don't know if it got turned back on again. What was that other thing? Oh, human interface device. It's faster that way. That was this. Yeah, it's still 4. All these things running as the measly local system that has no rights, have TCP privilege and all this stuff. That's still all. But I changed some settings, and one of them was to do with USB disk drives. You make a USB port look like a hard disk. I think I disabled it, but it seems like these configuration programs don't do anything. It's just I don't know where it maintains this disabled information, but it's probably not in the registry. 121. Well, now I just changed that, right? So the AE service. Let's see if it propagated. Bits I just changed, turned off. Transfers files in the background. If disabled, then any applications that depend on bits, such as Windows Update, don't want. MSN Explorer, don't want. Will be unable to automatically download programs. Okay, perfect. Disable. Now, what does it say? 22, that's correct. Just now. Now that should mean that this whole service should have the same day. It does. But it says 50. 22 at 50. That's not the same. You know what happened earlier today? After I went online and came back off, my time zone changed. Like my clock was off. suddenly I was in the United States, and so I couldn't, every time I compile something, I'd have to keep compiling it because, everything had its date changed by a half a day. And it took a while to sort out that mess. But now, let's see this again. 22 at 542, and this one is at 050. No, I didn't do anything at 50 minutes past midnight that I can think of. Let's see. Anything along here, say, I need a sort thing. 2015, 17. Here's one at 21. CSC service. Now, I certainly never touched this. Whoa. Offline files. Well, maybe I did. I might. Where's the start? Start is set to 2. I'm pretty sure I disabled this. Services. I don't know why I don't get my prompts anymore. Automatic. Well, I don't think I want this. Public API. Interesting events in offline files. No, it's a cache of some sort. I don't know where it is. And look at the privileges. Act as part of the operating system. Impersonate. Increase base priority privilege. Whoa. Just for offline files. Performs maintenance activities on the offline files tab, which is probably set to a USB fake disk, because I was looking in here. Oh, USB store or something. Somewhere in here. Oh boy. Here? No, there's hardly anything here. USB hub. Now look at these things. USB video something. Root hub. Hub 20. Now I found a list of these somewhere around here. USB video. None of these things had a great big list. Now where is it? I wonder. Oh, maybe here. No. It was as keys. Audio bus. Hid USB. See? Can't remember where it was. somewhere there is a great big list of these um, devices, the phony devices that look like hard drive, but they can be anything you want. It's just a matter of configuring the device drivers. They were on, I could see them on this side, not, I didn't have to look on the other side. God, what's this? No. I'm gonna pause. Okay, this is what I was trying to find. After about an hour of trying under services, I figured it wasn't there. Here, USB, a new USB, okay? Now you see all these things seem to indicate video, right? USB video something are, but these are storage classes. Port something, hub something, and they use this in the descriptions. This is read only. Percent, and then you gotta load up this, whatever this comes out to, is an environment variable. Right, so I gotta figure out how to do that. Now, there are so many things like this, right? You know, root. Now this is only had one of these star things before. Now I've got two. And I remember at some point it was a whole page of stars. These star things, I don't know what they are, but I bet you it's going to say it's never. Oh, it says it's been modified. 21, that's yesterday. HD audio. What's this got to do with audio? I mean, come on. But in any event, so that's USB and USB store, disk vendor something. And now this WPD bus enumerate. Okay, that's my F, right? Now that assertion, I'm pretty sure, has to do with a multi-string being incorrect. Probably this one. There are some errors in some of these things. I don't know if they're errors on purpose, but especially in the multi-string. Yeah, see, the error. The assertion here is that at the end of this loop, this difference should be equal to max in this case, so that would be 2. That says 30, it's 0. The difference is 0. So it's got a blank, it's storing a blank string, I guess. There could be some data after that, hidden. Like here, this multi-S said, if it starts out with 2 zeros, right, and then you could have, I gotta check the size and see if maybe there's more data in there. You can't see. Okay, now the service thing, the thing that I disabled was the group policy editor was GP. I can get to it here, I think. I'm pretty sure that if this had a link to GP edit, I didn't have to type it. I guess not. Yeah, I can always type it. That's right. Is this what all those things are? Something to do with allowing redirection of USB storage devices, like they redirect to somewhere online. Here maybe? Maybe something I would have configured. Device redirection. See, prevent redirection of USB devices. If you don't do anything, an alternate driver for USB devices can be loaded, see? And that's the reason they got that setting, obviously, is for what appears to be going on in here is that some devices to do with USB, right? I have that F drive thing, are being redirected. And the redirection appears to be towards something that looks like a video. Now, where is it? Sorry to interrupt myself there. I've been cutting out bits and pieces of, me searching and searching. But one of the things I just ran across in the registry has got to make you laugh. First off, I stumbled upon my list of critical devices. This is the critical device database. It contains 2,500 devices, critical, all of them critical. A lot of PNP here, you'll notice. Plug and play. By the way, if if plug and play stops working, then these buttons stop working. They require plug and play. That's a plug and play. These are plug and play devices. These little link things. But this is the funny bit. Legacy is a PNP device. It's see, this service is a PNP. It's a PNP service. So what this service apparently is all about to allow you to put plug-and-play devices into the secret legacy device list, so you can start your plug-and-play devices, and they won't show up in the device list unless you say show hidden. And I'm certain as well that a legacy device is not subject to the same security rules, right, as would be a plug-and-play device that has to conform to various standards. A legacy device can do whatever it wants, I suppose. So now there's no real there's no there's nothing to tell you if something's really a legacy device. These are phony legacy devices that are really plug-and-play devices. Now that's just the critical devices that I just happened to come across.